So when you're going to crimp your cable railing, one of the very first things you want to do is make sure that on one of the ends you have your tension kit applied so you can pull your cable taut. As you can see here, I have the cable pulled taut. I'm going to grab it with my thumb where my mark is. I'm going to measure up 3/4 of an inch, make my mark. Then I'm going to use the cable cutters, cut on the line, take my threaded crimp fitting, and we're going to crimp this on twice. Is to use the leverage of your deck. I'm going to seat it against the back, push down once. I'm going to give it a 1/4 turn and crimp again. And the reason why we do the 1/4 turn is so where the crimp pressure is lined up, it's offset. So in the event that there's any kind of lateral force that gets applied, it's not going to get pulled out. I feed it through, take my level end tension receiver, place it on the other side, and feed it through.